Shower splash guards are just what you need to keep leaks and spills off your bathroom floor, and they're only available from SlipX Solutions. Our splash guards work with any standard shower curtain and install in 4 easy steps. First, remove the shower curtain liner from the 3 end rings. Leave the rings attached to the outer shower curtain. Then, attach the hook on the end of the shower splash guard to the open hole at the end of the liner. Position the holes on the shower splash guard with the corresponding holes on the liner and curtain. Finally, secure the shower rings through the splash guard, the liner, and the curtain at these hole positions. Follow these same steps to install the second splash guard at the other end of the shower curtain. Shower splash guards install without the use of adhesives and are not visible from outside the shower.